guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, CBGB Motorsports. I'm Colin.
I'm Gavin.
And this right here is our Project Z3. Recently, we have been gone, but now that we're back, we'll be posting videos weekly. Today, we will be removing and replacing the front bumper markers
And the Euro side markers.
We've decided to change the amber colored lights, the smoke color. So replacing it is easy. You'll want a small screwdriver and some painter's tape. Put the painter's tape on the tip of the screwdriver so you don't scratch up the paint. Just pop it out. I'm going to twist this light and pull it out. And for the light bulb, you want to press this and pull that out. You want to use the quick detailer, put on a rag, get around it in case there's any marks around the light. And then get the bulb, put it in, just push it in, snap in. Then push that in, twist it.
To replace the Euro side markers, you want to pull back and then pull out. Then you will twist where the bulb is and pull back. Then you want to use the quick detailer and scrub around where the light was. After that, you want to take the new smoke color Euro side markers, put the light in to where the tabs go in, twist, and push it back, in, and forward.
And the driver's side is exactly the same as the passenger side.
We also got a couple small items for the car, like a motorsport keychain and valve stem covers.
We also got a stubby antenna to replace the tall factory one. So, if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and tell all your friends. Your support is very much appreciated.